magical day to each and everyone. I am Vimala Srinivasan, studying in KCS Kasinagar College of Arts and Science at BCom Corporate Secretarialship, batch of 2019 to 2022. Now we are going to see about the planning. Planning is a part of a subject in business management. In this lesson, we are going to see about the meaning, definition, nature of planning, merits and demerits of planning, process of planning. Now we are going to see about the meaning of planning. The first and foremost function of a management is planning. Planning is a process of thinking about the activities required to achieve a desired goal. Now we are going to see about the definition of planning. Planning is deciding in advance what to do, how to do it, when to do it, and who to do it. It bridges the gap from where we are to where we want to go. Written by Kunitz and O'Donnell. Now we are going to see about the nature of planning. Nature of planning. They are managerial function, goal oriented, pervasive, continue process, intellectual process, future oriented, integrated approach. Now we are going to see about the explanation of nature of planning. Managerial function. Planning is a first and foremost managerial function. Provides the basic of other functions of a management. Example: organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling, as they are performed within the periphery of the plans made. Now we are going to see about the goal oriented. It focuses on defining the goal of an organization, identify alternative courses of action, and deciding the approach of active plan, which is to be undertaken for reaching the goal. Now we are going to see about the pervasive. It is pervasive in the sense that it is present in all the segment and is required at all the level of organization. And through the scope of planning varies at different level and departments. Now we are going to see about the continue process. Plans are made for a specific terms, say for a month, quarter, year, and so on. Once that period is over, new plans are drawn, considering the organization present and future requirements and condition. Now we are going to see about the intellectual process. It is a mental activity. It involves application of mind and intelligence to attain the organizational objectives. Now we are going to see about the future oriented. Planning is required to attain the future goal of organization. Union demand, government regulation, unavailability of raw material, etc. Now we are going to see about the integrated approach. There must be a link between the plan of a different departments. As a plan of a different departments are interrelated and interdependent. Quality approach is needed for the successful implementation of each plan. Now we are going to see about the merits and demerits of planning. Merits of planning: reduce uncertainty. Demerits of planning: limitation of forecast. Ensure economical operation. Rapidly in administration. Facilitates control. Costly affair. improve motivation, time consuming process, gives competitive edges, influence of external factors, avoid duplication of effects, psychological factors. Now we are going to see about the process of planning. They are setting objectives, developing premises, listing various alterations for achieving the objective, evaluating different alternatives, selecting an alternative, implementing the plan, follow up. Now we are going to see about the explanation of process of planning. Setting objectives. In planning function, managers brings with setting up of objectives because all the policy, procedure and methods are framed for achieving objective only. Developing premises. Premises refers to making assumption regarding future. Forecast is the techniques of gathering information. Listing various alterations for achieving the objectives. After setting up of objectives, the manager make a list of alternatives through which the organization can achieve its objectives. Selecting an alternative. The best alternative is selected, but as such, there is no mathematical formula to select the best alternative. Implementing the plan. This is a step where other managerial function also come into the picture. Follow up. Planning is a continuous process, so the manager jobs does not get over. Simple by putting the plan into the action. Thank you for listening and watching the channel. Please subscribe and click the bell icon for know the new updates.